Welcome to Bike Lane. Today we're taking a concise look at the 2026 Coleman B200, a mini bike that blends classic trail bike attitude with modern refinements for casual riders and weekend explorers. Overview. The 2026 Coleman B200 continues the B-Series reputation for simplicity and durability. It's built for riders who want an easy-to-own mini bike that's ready for dirt paths, campgrounds, and light off-road fun without a steep learning curve. Design and build. This model keeps a rugged steel frame, compact proportions, and wide tires that inspire confidence on uneven terrain. The upright stance and minimalist layout focus on function over flash, making it approachable for new riders and nostalgic for longtime fans. Performance. The B200 emphasizes smooth, predictable power delivery and straightforward controls. It's designed to be easy to start, easy to ride, and forgiving on mixed surfaces, ideal for relaxed trail cruising rather than aggressive riding. Comfort and usability. A padded seat, sensible handlebar position, and stable wheelbase help reduce fatigue during longer rides. The simple setup also means basic maintenance and quick adjustments are easy for owners. Safety and control. With responsive braking and a balanced chassis, the 2026 B200 prioritizes control at modest speeds. It's built to help riders feel stable and in command while learning or enjoying casual off-road sessions. Who it's for. The Coleman B200 is a solid choice for beginners, recreational riders, campers, and anyone looking for an affordable, no-nonsense mini bike experience. Closing. The 2026 Coleman B200 stays true to what makes mini bikes fun: simplicity, reliability, and easygoing adventure. For more quick breakdowns like this, stay tuned to Bike Lane.